Welcome! Now I got Nokia 1.4 and now I'll show you how to disable quick launch on this device. First of all, open your settings and in search of settings write quick, this one, and from the list you choose quickly open camera option. Now I got turn on this option, so click here to turn off. And now when we press to double press to power key, camera is not open, so let's try. And how you can see, camera is not open. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.